Don Panucci, welcome to the Stern Center. We have your table waiting for you.
My old friend, Mickey Federini. What a beautiful place you've brought me to. How can I help you?
As you know, the Quad City Storm Booster Club holds a spaghetti dinner fundraiser every year, and last year's was one of the best. Unfortunately, our 3-star chef, Chef Bimogino, got called up.
Called up?
Yes, Don Panucci. He was called up to the professional upscale culinary kitchen, or PUC, as it's more commonly known.
Puck.
This poses a huge problem for us. As you may recall, nobody could resist his world-famous spaghetti. Nobody.
I see. What do you propose we do?
I was hoping that you could judge a competition.
A competition?
I was thinking we would hold a CTO, a chef tryout.
That is a great idea, Mickey. Do we have any candidates?
We have 3. They're here now.
I will help you. Cannot let anything get in the way of this monumental event. Bring them out.
Bring out Chef Michelino Peitini.
Hey, good afternoon, you guys. It's my understanding that the Booster Club's been putting up a lot of money for this event, all right? So let's make it amazing. I say we make it a bit more cost-effective. Don Panucci, I got you the best deal in town. This spaghetti, straight from a can. Cheap and easy, like a Sunday special. Capiche?
Bring out Chef Seamus O'Steves.
Hey lads, since the event is on St. Paddy's Day, I figure green spaghetti. I present to you my green spaghetti, green as the Emerald Isle.
Bring in our next contestant, Chef D'Antonio DiPonino.
Don Panucci, I prepared my homemade pasta along with my Nana's secret sauce. Made with amore, passed down from the old country. This is family on a plate. Mangia.
Chef DiPanino, you've restored my faith with your culinary talents. I now deem you as the head chef for our spaghetti dinner. Oh!
Forget about it.